you see him? That handyman stealing all my work. I'm gonna steal some of his work. Check over here. I don't see him. I know he's got all them guns. Have to call him cold there. I'm taking over his YouTube channel. He's stealing all my work. I'm gonna steal some of his work. I'm gonna teach you some tips and tricks about tape measures. I've got four tips and tricks that you've never seen before. I've got 60 years in this business. That stupid handyman thinks he can come in here and steal all my work. Come on down here to the workbench. I'm gonna show you things you've never seen before. First thing, you've got to have a real American-made tape measure. None of this Chinese crap that's made on Bangkok, China. This baby here built in New Jersey. Let's see here. He's got a piece of wood here. Oh yes, a beauty. He steal his beer. What is this, Blue Moon? What type of sissy drinks a Blue Moon? Ice House for me. It's got this little hook on the end of it. See that? You hook it over the piece of the wood, and then you pull it, and you read the numbers. Jesus, can't even read what that says. 26 3/4 of an inch. Bet you've never seen that before. Next tip, back to the tip of the tape measure. This little thingy here, it wiggles. It wiggles the same amount of the thickness of your hook. You want to know why? I'll show you. Come back over to the workbench. When you're measuring up to something, you just drive it right in there, and the thing moves. There you go, 15 3/4 inches. You gotta count for the thickness of that when you go to make your measurement when you're hooking it over. And it moves. There you go. That's 3.5 inches right there. You get accurate measurements because this thing wiggles. There's a bonus tip. This thing can wear out. This thing here is 70 years old, and it's probably a 32nd of an inch wallered out. So you gotta keep that in mind when you're doing your fancy cabinetry, your frickin' pocket holes. Thing on. Next tip, how to measure inside. Says right on there. Can you read that? Just add 2 inches for measuring inside. What does that mean? Here, come on down to the workbench, I'll show you. Oh, he's got some more wood down here. That handyman's got lots of wood around here. You need to measure from here to here. You pull out your tape measure and you shove it down in there. Well, you can't measure at an angle. This thing on, when you bend it, oh, you don't know what the heck it reads. It says add 2 inches. We got 10.5 inches plus 2. That's 12.5 inches. Golly! Woo! Hey, I got one more tip for you. Woo! So you want to measure from here to here and find out where the middle point is. You use that handy trick. And you put this in there like that, and you add the 2 inches. Then you come up here and you got your 12.5 inches. Well, shoot, that's not 12.5. Now, how do we do that? Well, shoot, let's see here now. We could do 12.5 divided by 2. We don't do that out on the field. We take our tape measure and we bend that sucker right in half. Yep, just like that. Golly! That says 6 1/4 inches. No math needed. Just bend your tape measure in half. There you go, everybody. Hit that like button. Woo! Woo! Smash it. Hammer that like button. I'll teach you how to use a goddamn pencil in the next video. Woo! Can't do that. I gotta get out of here before he comes in guns a blazing. Now I'm gonna take this bear he got there. It's not too bad. The Blue Moon bear.